Researching the market for a 2007 Holden Commodore.
Experience the comfort of driving this well-presented vehicle with a reliable engine. Plus, enjoy these notable features that are included in this ride: cruise control, climate control, central locking, power windows, an alarm system, a CD player, auxiliary input for your MP3 player, ventilated disc brakes, stability control, and adjustable tilt steering wheel.
You will appreciate the safety feature of anti-lock brakes.
And for your peace of mind, the following safety equipment is included. Find out all you need to know to purchase this vehicle today.